In this episode, we are decorating for Memorial Day. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now let's get a close-up of the porch. Now the flag came in the bunch I ordered from Amazon. And I have the lanterns that I put some blue hydrangeas in those. And I added a flag in each lantern to give the little festive look. Also, I added a new mat. Filler is for, as you see, red, white, and blue is for Memorial Day or July 4th, whichever one I choose. And then I added this beautiful wood heart flag on the door. Now that was thrifted and I really like that. And the funny thing is I saw that at Hobby Lobby. Now again, here's the flag. And the new flagpole came from Amazon. It has 4 or 5 spikes on it to stick in the ground, so it'll stay at one area. So here's a full overview of my entryway for the Memorial Day holiday. Now let's go inside and get started on this table. Now my Memorial Day tablescape is dedicated to my father, Clarence Walker, who was in the Air Force doing Vietnam, and to my husband, Eric, that was in Desert Storm. Now the side settings are the same. And we have the red placemat that came from Walmart. The white charger came from Hobby Lobby. The flag plates, they were thrifted. A brand new set in the box, had never been opened. I purchased them at Goodwill and it was a set of 4 for $10, and I thought it was a set of 6. My bad, I need to find 2 more. Now the red napkins came from Tablecloth Factory, and the napkin ring was thrifted. The blue stem wine glass, that was from the Dollar Tree. Now on the head of the tables, they are the same. Now each chair we have a red covered pillow. Those pillow covers came from Amazon. The blue placemat came from Pier 1. The white charger plate came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have the infamous red and white plate from the Dollar Tree and the saucer. Now the blue starred plate, that came from Amazon. The starred napkin came from Pier 1. The napkin ring was thrifted. Well, it was purchased off of eBay. And the red wine glass, it was thrifted as well. Now let's go in for the centerpiece. The table runner came from Ross. And then the red and white beads, that came from Hobby Lobby. The glass candle holders, they were thrifted, one on each end. The red, white, and blue balls, they were a DIY. I used some of the Dollar Tree red, white, and blue flowers and put them on a moss ball. with a styrofoam ball. And in the center, I have a red lantern. This is part of a set of 3 that was purchased from Walmart. Now, everything on this table that I've used today is a no spend. Everything I already had in my stash. And those plates, I purchased those when I first moved in this house. I ran across those at Goodwill. So let me know what you think down below. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.